I'm standing here with nothing in my hands. No sign of change and no backup plan. But something in my spirit won't let go of a God who moves in ways I'll never know. I don't need the answer yet, I just need to know you're set. I'm finishing what you started in me. He's more than able. Before I see it done, more than able. Before the morning comes, more than able. When the waiting breaks me down.
You feel accomplished,
That is good.
knocked out.